So heading out to Harvey Bay now. Got to pick up an HDMI cable from Officeworks, which I'll show you what we're going to use that for. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, got the micro HDMI and picked up a couple of SD cards as well for the Zoom recorders, so they'll come in handy. Let's head to the Z-Pack theatre now. So the GoPro actually has micro HDMI output, portable HDMI monitor that we're going to check out the angle of the GoPro. I mean, you can use the GoPro app, but this is a lot quicker way to do it. Perfect. That's actually all set up. Jace, he's all set. Got his slider all ready to go.
Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red till you discover it is within each other.
Alright, just finished up at the Z-Pack Theatre. Awesome job, guys. Yep. Big thumbs up. Went really well, went smoothly. Alright, so me and Jazz are gonna get some food and we'll see Ben later. Yep. So
good luck, Ben.
I'm bringing out the big camera tonight.
Oh.
Oh! Oh, yes!
We're at dinner, chicken dinner.
And we are like at the closest park as well.
And also, we're only just across from where we were.
Oh man, that's so
awesome.
good.
Fresh food.
Run by us.
Nice. Whereabouts are you guys?
We are 10 k's north of Maryborough. We're a second generation small crop farm.
Oh, there you
We've
go.
got 60 years of farming experience between us. Growing through flavour.
They are full on, man.
Alright, so we are at the marina, checking out the Blessing of the Fleet tonight. Look at all these people. There's like tons of people around. We're going to check it out, so let's go. This is the Tasman Adventure. This is where we've done like past couple of projects for Phil and the crew at the Boat Club Cruise Adventures. So yeah, awesome to see it. We're gonna watch the fireworks soon. Okay, we're out in the middle of the marina. We're gonna see some sweet fireworks. Let's do it. That was pretty good, guys. What do you reckon?
Oh
pretty
yeah,
solid?
it was fantastic!
2 thumbs up! 2 thumbs up!